Apache Kafka is a distributed data store designed for real-time ingestion and processing of streaming data. Data generated continuously by thousands of data sources, which typically submit the data records simultaneously, is known as streaming data. A streaming platform such as Kafka is required to manage this constant inflow of data, and it must process the data both successively and incrementally. Kafka can help you with that with its three main functions. It enables users to process records in real time, store records in the order in which they were generated, publish records, and subscribe to record stores. Building real-time streaming data pipelines and applications that can adjust to the data streams is the primary use case for Kafka. It allows for the storage and analysis of both historical and real-time data by combining messaging, storage, and stream processing. Kafka employs a partitioned log model that combines two messaging models, queuing and publish-subscribe. Enabling data distribution across several servers extends the scalability of data beyond what could be accommodated on a single server. The Kafka ecosystem also includes replayability. It allows multiple independent applications that read from data streams to function independently and at their own pace. Due to the rise of real-time data streaming, Kafka has become an indispensable tool for data application developers. While it has a bit of a learning curve, it is flexible, powerful, and accessible to all users, including small startups and independent developers. Combined with its interoperability with most IT systems, this makes it a foundational technology in the modern world. If you have any questions about Kafka, you can contact uHero at info@uheroglobal.com or visit us at uheroglobal.com. What are you waiting for now? Get things started.